Thanks for coming back and checking out another video. We've got the one of the padlocks that William Mancel sent me, the Brinks, and I know it's not out of the packet, but it is literally straight out of the packet that he sent it in. So we're going to give this one a go. I've not taken the keys off. I will show you the bitting. I'm sure it works perfectly. I won't bother taking the keys off, not until I open it. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit and keep the focus. Yeah, righty. Fits okay. I think I'll go straight in with a John Eggington.
What happened last night? Those fighters were controlled by the Sansons. The Sansons? The year that the Covert caused the Persian king for my father ordered them Spaniard. The Sansons disobeyed my father's orders, kept them intact. It's a secret government killing activity. That's why I don't pay taxes. You can't stop. Well, that you can't, but we can.
We could use your help getting to the temple.
By crossing the Hindu Kush with a storm blowing, you attract trouble like flies around rotting mango, and you're insane.
Let's go to the temple. The 10 horses can carry. Tax free.
Stop!
I memorized this path as a child. Every princess must. It's sacred. It's here. This is the tree. The one place that I can safely.
I was expecting golden statues, waterfalls.
Give me back a bucket so that I can take it.
Don't cut yourself. Not long dead. Last night. I sense it. It's all close to place. All dead. The entire village. My God, where are you going?
There we go. Like me, I made that look harder than it fucking was, but it's open. There we go. And that was a lovely little lock to pick. I really enjoyed that. So thanks Will for sending me that, mate. And again, there is the key. And it works beautiful. And while I remember, I wanted to ask if anyone has any car locks, because I wanted to have a little practice on a couple of car locks, and I've got two tools. I've got a rake, and I believe this is for the HU66. It's got I'm not sure if you can see that. HU66, then it's got 111 after that, and yeah, that's a rake. I believe it's a V-dub. So I wondered if anyone would have any car locks that I might be able to practice using that on. And even more desperate, I've got this Leashy HU92. It's not the most modern version with the built-in bit where you flick it up and down, but it's if I show it this way, you've got the pick there, you put the pick in, and you've got your markers there. You can see the holes there. So if I do the top ones, so what I was hoping for, and I believe this is a BMW E46 maybe, I'm not sure, but if anyone knows the locks these would fit and have any, and they could send them to me, I'd be happy to cover postage, trade you some locks, but just let me know what you got, mate, and if there's anyone out there that could help me out. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you with another video very soon.